The scientific lab report is a way of systematically representing your practical research work. Lab reports are crucial parts of science projects. If you choose a science course in college, you must write a lab report to complete your assignments. To ease your efforts, we will discuss how to write a lab report in this video. So, watch until the end and follow every point we mention here. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more informative videos. So, let's get started. Writing a lab report may seem challenging for many students. But if you follow the systematic steps, you can create a clear and concise message to showcase your scientific findings effectively. First, create the structure of your lab report. You may go through some lab report samples for practical ideas. A laboratory report typically consists of the following parts: title, abstract, introduction, materials and methods, results or outcomes, summary or conclusion, references, appendices. Once you create the outline, you can explain your research work point-wise. A well-structured lab report helps readers follow your thought process and findings. You must understand that a lab report aims to describe an experiment, document your observations, and present your results. So, you must describe the procedures you followed during the experiment using the technical terms to communicate with your teacher, and present your findings using visual aids like tables, graphs, etc. It makes the lab report engaging to the readers, and they can easily get the outcomes. You must interpret your results and explain their significance to influence or convince the readers about your findings. Also, discuss any trends, patterns, or unexpected outcomes you observed, and relate them to your original research topics. Finally, summarize the key findings and their implications in the practical world. Don't forget to mention the references helped you complete your lab research. So, these are the essential points you must follow when writing a scientific lab report. We hope you can now create an impressive lab report with all the essential steps and secure good marks in your assignments. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant updates.